Hey there, nature lovers! Let's take a wild journey across Russia, a country so vast it's basically its own world. But today, I'm not showing you boring old maps or stock footage. Nope! Imagine Russia, all its animals, landscapes, and cities, brought to life in claymation. Every mountain and moose, every birch forest and bustling street, molded by hand, frame by frame. Ready? Let's dive in. First stop, the wild, endless taiga. Can you picture it? Towering pines, snow so deep it hushes the world. Suddenly, a Siberian tiger prowls through, its stripes flickering in the morning sun. Russia is the only place on earth where these big cats still roam free. And yes, they're as cool in clay as they are in real life. Trust me. Now let's zoom across the vast tundra. Think of tiny lemmings darting under moss and herds of reindeer marching under shimmering northern lights. In our clay world, even the aurora ripples and glows, lighting up the frozen horizon. Out here life is tough, but somehow it's beautiful. Swing south and Russia starts to change. Suddenly, the forests break into golden fields. Here brown bears lumber through the woods, snacking on berries with their clay paws. In the rivers, you'll spot sturgeon, ancient fish that look like they swam straight out of a dinosaur documentary. Now let's drop into Russia's wildest lakes and wetlands. See those fluffy white swans, the iridescent kingfishers? All sculpted, all moving, all alive in this little clay universe. Russia has more fresh water than almost anywhere else, and it's teeming with life. Frogs, otters, even the rare Amur leopard peeking out from behind a bush. But Russia isn't just wild spaces. Let's step into the cities. Moscow's colorful onion domes, St. Petersburg's elegant canals, Kazan's minarets and towers. All in clay, of course, bustling with tiny, detailed people, trams rattling, musicians playing in the park. It's a blend of old and new, east and west, all mapped out in miniature and moved one frame at a time. So why claymation? Because it reminds me that nature, like art, is fragile, intricate, and totally unique. Every scene is made by hand, just like every ecosystem is shaped by time and chance. And honestly, it makes me want to protect it all even more. Russia's wild places and lively cities, they're real, vivid, and waiting to be explored. Whether you're wandering the taiga with tigers or strolling through Red Square, there's always something new around the corner. Thanks for joining me on this claymation adventure. If you loved it, hit subscribe and let me know where we should go next. Until then, keep exploring. Nature is closer than you think.